In a distant land, there was a colorful and cheerful land of numbers. In this country, every number from 1 to 10 has its own special meaning. But one of the most special numbers is the number 2, which is always cheerful and energetic. 2 got along so well with other numbers that it became everyone's favorite, because 2 was always helpful, understanding, and sharing. One day, a great festival was held in the land of numbers. While everyone was having fun, 2 played games with other numbers, danced, and sang songs. But one day, a problem arose in the land of numbers. The numbers got lost in the maze and could not find each other. Dark clouds have descended on the land of numbers, and those constant, joyful, and entertaining numbers have become pessimistic, sad numbers. This situation plunged the country into darkness. However, 2 immediately noticed this situation and immediately took action to find other numbers. 2 bravely came to the door of the labyrinth and entered from there, found his way, and found the other numbers one by one and put them together. 2 was patient, smart, and brave in this challenging adventure. In the end, he subtracted all the numbers from the labyrinth, 2. Joyful days were experienced again in the land of numbers. Everyone celebrated 2's courage and helpfulness. 2 shows once again that friendship and cooperation are the greatest power.